as well as prepare for the coming typhoon.
What should we do?
We should pack our things and we should prepare our emergency kits.
That's right. Guys, look, there's NDRRMC just warned us about an upcoming typhoon.
We should evacuate now.
Yeah, we should. I just checked outside. The winds are so strong to the point that the branches are breaking and falling apart.
Yeah, you're right. The boundaries are apart.
I really hope the lights won't go out. I don't want a power outage to occur.
Same. But even then, we should prepare our supplies in case it's not enough. But I'm sure that the evacuation center will provide the ready treatment.
In the meantime, we should be careful and always check our surroundings.
In.
Since the rain has stopped, we should go outside and grab some supplies quickly.
For sure. How are you guys? Where's Princess and Bimbi? Kamara na!
Matt? Matt? Where is he? Matt, where have you been?
I was looking for you and I started to panic.
Let's go back.
Okay, sure.
Are you fine?
No,
Are you okay?
no,
Where have you been?
I got lost.
Exactly where?
Somewhere in a dark place. Scary place.
Princess just texted me. She told me she's in the clinic today because a branch fell on top of her.
Is she okay?
I'm not sure.